If you want to get an iPhone ringtone on a Redmi 15, first of all, we need to go to the Play Store. Over here, we're gonna search for an app that allows us to get the iPhone ringtone. So we're just gonna type iPhone ringtone. There we go. As you can see, we have multiple different apps that we can choose. In my case, I'm gonna use this app over here. Let's install it. I'm gonna show you how to get the ringtone by using this app over here. Let me actually disable the silent mode for now. And feel free to try any other app in case you don't like this one or if it doesn't work for you. As you saw, we have different apps that we can choose and all of them probably work just fine. Now over here, we're gonna press consent and let's proceed. Now we need to wait a short while. Of course, you might see an ad in the meantime, so let's wait for the ad to close it. There we go. Now let's grant the permission over here. You will see permission required, so we're gonna press OK, and we need to grant this permission so that the app can actually change our ringtone. Now we're gonna go back. Over here we have the list, so we can tap on a display in order to have a little preview of how the ringtone sounds. And if you like the ringtone, we can tap on these three dots on the right side. And then we're gonna tap on the ringtone over here. Of course, once again, we have an ad, but after a couple of seconds, we should be able to close it. And you should see that the ringtone has been set successfully. So we're just gonna press OK. And just to see if it's actually changed, I'm just gonna quickly call myself. Okay, so in my case, it didn't actually switch. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna open settings, and over here we're gonna scroll down to sound and vibration, and let's go to ringtone over here. Next, we're gonna choose local ringtone. Go to audio files, and you should be able to find this ringtone downloaded over here. I'm not sure if the name will be exactly the same, but you should be able to find it as the most recent one. So we're gonna select it, and once it's added to the list, we're gonna press apply, and then you can choose SIM1 or SIM2 or both, of course. And that's it. Now let's give it a try. So let me call myself, and as you may hear, the ringtone has been changed. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.